Flip chip packages, as represented by wafer-level CSP, are installed in a wide range of the latest small devices. Lintech Corporation has developed a revolutionary LC tape to protect and reinforce the backside of these chips. This backside coating tape contributes and improves the reliability of these semiconductor packages. Let's look at the total LC tape solution process that improves device reliability. The Lintech RAD-3600 F12 laminates LC tape onto the backside of the wafer. LC tape has low thickness variation compared with other backside coating materials. After LC tape lamination, the LC tape is heat cured. If the customer so requires, the LC tape can be laser marked. The next stage is the dicing of the bumped wafer. For this, dicing tape is mounted onto the backside of the bumped wafer. The LC laminated wafer is diced. Compared to the conventional dicing process, LC laminated wafers experience less backside chipping because the LC tape adds a rigid support to the backside of the wafer. The dicing tape is irradiated with UV light. The bumped chip with LC tape is separated from the UV curable dicing tape in the pickup process. The chip with the attached LC tape is now complete. In flip chip fabrication, LC tape not only enables the chip to be thinner, but also protects and reinforces the chip. This contributes to higher device reliability. Let's look at an actual process using LC tape. LC tape lamination is performed using the Lintech RAD-3600 F12, a laminator specially designed for LC tape lamination. The wafer is removed from the wafer cassette, is aligned, and transferred to the lamination table by the wafer transfer arm. The wafer is heated. The LC tape is pre-cut to the wafer size inside the RAD-3600 F12 and is laminated to the wafer's backside. After lamination, the release film is peeled off, and the wafer is stored in a cassette. Lintech continues to contribute to achieve higher reliability in semiconductor packages with its LC tape lineup.
We'll give you the advantage. Adwill.